Hi, M5900. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day ma'am and sir. I'm Madeline Magbuhos, 33 years old. I born October 3, 1991. I am single mother. I have one kid, age 5, boy. I,
Your religion
I'm Catholic.
and your highest educational
I'm
attainment.
high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experiences as a helper here in the Philippines.
I have experience work here in Philippines as helper for 4 years. I serve them four people, two adult, two kids, age 3 and 6.
Okay, and other household chores that you do.
I do cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, ironing.
Okay, and you're also taking care of pets, right?
Yes, I have taken one dog.
Okay, and you have another experience also here in the Philippines, right?
Yes,
In Makati, right?
yes.
Okay, tell me about your experience.
I have taken 3 months old baby. Do do cleaning, do washing, ironing, and washing dishes.
Okay, since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, which is 3 months old, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay, and you also have a child, right?
Yes, sir.
5 years old. Okay. Um, what will you do if the newborn is crying?
First, I will check the diaper is full. Second, I will check if she's hungry. And third, I will check if 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 she have fever.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do everything, what will you do?
I will call her parents to tell the baby is still crying. Even I do all stop to crying
Okay, so um, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
to secure my future of my son
Uh,
and help my parents.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I will work still. I will work here. Still, my employer want me to stay.
So it is okay to you to extend with your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir. But I willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
I do watching YouTube or recipe book.
Okay. And also if your employer have a time to prepare foods for themselves, you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about cut your hair into short?
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
If your employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, that is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly.
Yes, sir.
Help them go to bed, to bathroom, it is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
I will learn, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hi to all future my employer in Hong Kong. I I
Okay?
I didn't promise anything, but I will I will do my best. I will do my best to working, and I tell I'm honest person, loyal and generous. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Madeline. Thank